Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how to start your own pretty much business selling products from home. So this is Printify. It is free. You can even sync it with Shopify, or you can just use their own storefront. So this is the items that they do have that you can sell and customize. Shirts. They have like candles, blankets, posters, cell phone cases, stickers, cups. So they even have pillows and candles and bags. So I'm going to show y'all how to customize real quick. So I decided to customize a coffee mug. So it is ceramic. It got all the details. They even have like reviews as well if you want to like check out the reviews of the items. And they will ship the items for you. You don't have to hold any inventory. Like it's pretty much drop shipping. So I will go back, right? I'll click start designing, and pretty much how you design is through Canva. So I'll click explore myself and start designing. I'll hop to Canva. And usually what you do is you use like an Instagram post picture. You'll start designing, adding some text. And I would rate my design a 2 out of 10, maybe a 3, being nice. Let's not judge it. Wanted to make this video real quick, and make sure you download as a transparent background so the background does not show. I will click upload from my device, which is my computer, laptop. And then this is also how you order a sample. You can even order a sample. You see how much it costs, around like $4. So this website, like I said, is free. And I can't believe you can like drop ship this many items. And the items are affordable. Like I remember when there was like Teespring. I think that's still this is like another t-shirt drop shipping on Shopify. And they was charging like $50. And it's like, how you gonna make any profits? So I went back and edited my design because I didn't like it. It was boring. I added like some money. So this is what the finished product looked like. And you know, I've been trying to do shorter videos, y'all, because who got time to do a 10, 20-minute video? So this is the description. They even like write the product description for you. You can add the prices. It tells you your profit margins. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at the end on my own website. And you already know I use Shopify, so I will be making some custom merch. This was just an example. This is on my store. I'm about to go back and delete it. I just want to show you guys real quick an example. So then you connect a store if you have like a store. So I'm just connecting my store. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It does your description and everything for you. So this is the final product. I do hope this video was helpful. The name of the website will be in the description. It is Printify. And yeah, thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one. Bye.